Welcome to Recipes. Today's recipe is low-carb eggplant lasagna. 2 large eggplants, 1 teaspoon sea salt, olive oil to taste, 5 cloves garlic minced, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, 28 ounces crushed San Marzano tomato, 6 fresh basil leaves thinly sliced, 1 large egg, 15 ounces ricotta cheese, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup grated parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut off the ends of the eggplant, then slice lengthwise about 1/8 inch thick. Sprinkle the eggplant slices with sea salt on both sides and let sit for 10 minutes to draw out moisture. Pat dry eggplant slices with paper towels to remove any extra liquid. Lightly grease a griddle pan with olive oil and heat over medium heat. Grill the eggplant slices for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until grill marks are visible. Remove from the pan and set aside. In a medium saucepan, heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium-low heat, then add the garlic and red pepper flakes. Sauté for about 3 minutes, until the garlic is fragrant but not browned. Add the crushed tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of salt, stirring well to incorporate the garlic and red pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes, reducing the heat if the sauce begins to bubble too much. Add the basil and stir to combine. Remove from the heat and set aside. In a medium bowl, beat the egg, then add the ricotta, 1½ cups of mozzarella, 3/4 cup of parmesan, and the Italian seasoning. Assemble the lasagna. In a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, add enough sauce to cover the bottom of the dish and spread in an even layer. Add a layer of eggplant slices, covering the bottom of the dish completely. It's okay if the eggplant slices overlap slightly. Add a layer of the ricotta mixture and spread in a thin even layer. Repeat with the remaining ingredients, finishing with a layer of sauce. Sprinkle the remaining mozzarella and parmesan on top. Bake for 45 minutes, until cheese is fully melted. Turn the broiler on high and broil for 5 minutes, or until the cheese on top is browned and bubbly. Remove the lasagna from the oven and let rest for 15 to 20 minutes before serving to give the lasagna time to set. Serve garnished with fresh basil. Let lasagna cool down for 5 minutes before eating. Now eat and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when a new recipe is released.